Hello guys, in this video we will see DML statements or commands in PostgreSQL Server. See, generally people use it to call select, insert, update, delete or the DML statements. But select is not the DML statement. It is DQL, that is data query statement or language. Okay, DML stands for data manipulation language. The DML commands are insert, update, delete and merge. These commands will add the data or update the data or delete the data or merge based on the condition. Okay, first we will see insert statement. See, insert or insert into is used to insert data into a table. You can insert one row at a time or multiple rows to the table. Okay, syntax is, see here, insert into, then we have to provide the table name, then we have to, this is optional, we have to give the column names, then values. So see here the example. Suppose if you have table student and the column names student number and student name, then we have to give the values like this. Okay, this is one row at a time. But see the next example. Here we are inserting multiple rows at a time. We will see the official PostgreSQL insert statement. See, insert, create new rows in a table, and this is a synopsis or syntax. See, insert into table, then values, then we have to provide the values. Okay, see the description also. See here, inserts new rows into a table. One can insert one or more rows specified by the value expression. That means 0 or more rows resulting from the query. Okay, so at the end you can see the examples. See, insert into, see, this is the table name and values we have to provide to insert multiple rows to a table. This is the example. You can also insert rows from other table also. See, this is the current table and this is the existing table. Okay, so we can insert rows by using three methods. I will show you all three methods in the examples. So go to PostgreSQL. If you haven't installed PostgreSQL, then go through the link provided in the video description and install it. Okay, expand it, select the database where you want to operate these DML statements. Right click the database and select the query tool. First step, we will see the select. Select is used to retrieve data from a table or view or other objects. Okay, so we can get all columns or selected columns. If you give select star from table name, here table name is assume emp, this will give all the column names and the values. See, we don't have any data. If you want to verify, select it. See, we have these 4 rows and 2 columns. If we give star, we will get all the columns. But if you give only, but if you want to get only particular columns, not all, then we have to give the column names. Then select the query and click on this execute button. See, we got the one row. Okay, suppose if you want to get only the records of the rows from 102 where the serial number or student number greater than 102, we have to give where condition. Where here column name is S number greater than 102. So it will give only 103, but because 102 is not greater than 2, okay, greater than 102. Select it. See, we got only one row. If you want to get 102 also, you have to give equal. See, we got both the rows. So we have seen the use of the select statement. Let me delete. Let me drop the table and we will see the actual DML statement, that is insert. Drop table student. See, table is gone. Right click on this one, refresh. See, there is no table with student. So I am going to create table for our DML commands examples. Create table student S number int S name varchar 100 country varchar 100 not null not null. See, sname also not null. Okay, select it and execute. See, table is created. Let me verify. Select a star from student. This typo, so I'm giving student. So I'm going to create one more. So now it has created student table. Student, then verify. See, at present we don't have any data in this student table. So we are going to use this insert statement to insert rows into the table. So command is insert into, here table name is student. Well, providing columns is optional for one row at a time. I will show you both options. Values 100 David. See, varchar values must be in singular double quotes. Okay, David, James, and country also varchar. So which is character values, which means string values. That also must be in double or single quotes. So United States. Select entire line and click on execute. See, one row inserted. Let me verify by running this select star from student. Copy. Select it and execute. See, one row is inserted. See, this statement is for to insert a row at a time. But if you want to insert multiple rows at a time, insert into student. In brackets, we have to give the column names. Suppose S number, S name, then values. 101 David. I am giving single quotes because data type is varchar. Try with this option, whether we will be able to insert or not. Click on select entire insert statement and click on execute. See, it has thrown error because we have defined this country column as not null. So we must give the country. It must be in single quotes. Now this will not throw error. Select it and run. See, one row is inserted. Let me verify again. See, two rows are there. Now we will try to insert multiple rows at a time. Insert into student. Let me try without providing the column names. Not to Mike. See, after every value we must give the comma, otherwise it will throw error. Okay. See, here wantedly I am giving the wrong spell. Okay. 103. Okay, select it and run. So the error is because we must have give the comma after each row. Okay, select it and run. See, we have inserted two rows. The other way is by using, if you have the existing table, you have to give the table name. Okay, this is the third way. You can practice this on your own way. Okay, now next is update. See, update is used to update the rows of a table. See, this is the syntax. Suppose, see here I have by mistake entered wrong date, wrong country name. So to update this one, we must use this update command. Okay. So syntax is update, then table name, then keyword, that is set column equals to value. You can give any number of table column names, whatever we want to update. And where condition. Where condition is optional. Okay. See the example. Suppose here, let me show you. See, for the student number 100, username is student name is So if you want to change James to James Bond, you have to use update student, then set sname equals to James Bond, and where for which student we have to change, that is student number 100. So we have to give where student, that is s number equals to 100. Okay, so this is the way. Let me show you examples. I'm commenting all this. Even these also I'm commenting. Okay, so to comment the rows, just give control plus forward slash. That's it. Now we will see two examples. To update, first we are going to change the student name James to James Bond, and we are going to correct this spelling. Okay, by using update statement. Update, syntax is update, then table name. Table name here is student. Set, here column name is s name. Okay, s name equals to, it must be in quotation because data type is character. Okay, so I'm giving James Bond. See, if you don't provide where condition, it will update all these values to this James Bond. So we must give the where condition. S number equals to 100. I will show you what will happen if you don't give the where condition. Select it, copy, then again run this select star from. Now verify it. Select star from student. Now we are, see, for the student number, James is changed to James Bond. Before it was James. Okay, so let me create and show you what will happen if you don't give the where condition. Let me create student 1. Just give this one. So select this one. Just I have changed the name to student 1. We have successfully created. Now verify. Student 1 data. See, we don't have any data. So I'm going to insert third example. Insert into student, select star from, insert into student 1. Okay, student, select it, execute, 4 rows will be inserted. See, insert 4 means 4 rows inserted. Okay, now we will see this example. Select it. Now I am going to explain you what will happen if you don't provide the where condition. Update student 1 where set s name equals to James Bond. And execute it. See, it updated 4 rows because we haven't provided any condition. Let us verify again. Select star from student 1. See, all rows has been changed because we haven't provided condition. But here we have provided condition, that is where condition. So it updated only particular name of this student number 100. Okay. So we must be very careful while updating the data. If you don't provide where condition, then you will be in trouble. Okay. You must remember this one. Okay. We have changed it. Now we are going to change country name of the student number 102 United States because this is typo error. Okay, update. We have 2 ways. I will show you. Then table name is student. Set here column name is country. We must give the correct column name equals to correct spelling is United States. So put in singular double quotes because the country data type is varchar, that is character or string value. United States, where here we can use s name or s number. S number equals to 102 because, but this is the recommended. The other option is copy this one, where s name equals to Mike. See, I will tell you both the differences. See, if a table contains more than one Mike in the student name, then it will be problem. For all columns it will be updated. But if we give the only this one, student number, assume student number is primary key. So this will update only for that particular student number, because student number are not going to duplicate, but name may or may not contain same names. So that will be problem. So it is always recommended to use the columns which are having primary key or unique key. Okay, select it and execute it. So this will update error. Okay, select it, execute it. It is updated one record. Let me verify again. Select star from student. See, the country name has been changed to correct one. So we have completed insert, update, DML commands. The next one is, see, delete is used to remove or delete the rows from a table. If we don't give where condition, it will delete or all rows will be deleted from the table. I will show you the examples. See, this is the syntax. Delete from table, then where condition. See, example is, you want to delete the rows from student where student number is greater than 102. So it will delete the rows of the student number greater than the 102, but not 102. Okay. If you want to delete all the rows, you have to give the delete from student, but structure will be there. Okay. Go to the PostgreSQL official website for the official syntax. See, deletes the rows of a table. This is the, see, we have to give the delete from, then table name, then we have to give the where condition. Examples, go to examples. See here, select star, see, delete from the table name, where condition. To clear the table, we have to give like this. Only, no need to provide the condition. I will show you both the options. Whatever the commands executed here, those can be executed in PSQL, that is PS PostgreSQL shell. Okay, I am going to comment all these commands by using Ctrl//. Okay, enter. See, we have this table. Now I want to delete the rows whose serial number or student number is greater than 102 or equal to 102. So delete. So delete from, we have to give the table name. See here, delete from table name. Table name is student, where condition, where S number greater than or equal to 102. So what this will do, it will delete these both rows. Okay, let me try. Select both the commands and execute it. See, deleted 2 rows. Let me verify again by running this select statement. See, we have only these rows. Suppose if you want to delete all the rows, you no need to give this where condition. Let me verify the student 1 table. Run it. See, I have these 4 rows. So I want to delete all the rows. Give the command delete from. Then we have to give the table name. That's it. Click on execute. See, all rows gone. Again verify. Select star from student 1. Select it and execute. See, there are no rows in this student 1 table. The last DML command is, I will make separate video for this merge command. Check my YouTube channel for this PostgreSQL merge statement. So in this video we have seen PostgreSQL select statement, insert, update and delete commands with the examples. For more PostgreSQL server videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.